So I'm moving to China. Gonna grab our stuff. Yeah, we'll go from there.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong.
First things first, we need a list. My entire life has to go into these 3 bags. Push my luck. Can somebody explain to me how socks just disappear in the laundry? I don't know where they go, what dimension they transport to, but I really like my socks, man. We're gonna call it for today. I'm gonna start up again tomorrow. So I'll see you guys, well, immediately. Alright, we back. So, it's day 2. I'm gonna try and get all the packing done that I can and do some errands. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so heading to the store now. I had maybe like 6 things I needed to get from the store. It's not that big, but it's just a lot to keep in your head when you're trying to digest this whole massive move across the world. I'm literally going to China. It hasn't even sunk in yet properly for me. I'm having a goodbye party this weekend for me. I'm gonna see all my friends, and it's realistically the last time I'm gonna see a lot of these people for at least a year. Like, I've been doing this whole planning for a farewell party, but then there's the actual part where I have to say goodbye to all these people, and that's shit, that just hit me right now. Even all the good stuff is bittersweet when you actually get there. You know, I've been wanting to move out of my parents' place and go on an adventure and travel and do all this stuff for a long time, at least a year. And now that it's actually here, I'm like, shit, I have to say goodbye to everyone. You know, it's never just good stuff, it's always a mixed bag. And I guess you just gotta accept that. So, I went to the self-checkout because I needed to get these lovely diarrhea relief pills. And then I needed a bag, and they don't have the bags near the self-checkout. So I had to go and talk to a lady anyway and be like, yes, I need a bag for my diarrhea relief pills. This is the complaint cam. I've hit a wall. This is way more tiring than I thought it was gonna be. It's just so much thinking. No, that, no. This I'll need, this I'll need. I'm dying. I'm dying a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, complaint session over. Good. Now it's time to actually get to business. I got my list, I got my stuff. Now it's time to put it in the suitcases. Let's do it. This is not comfortable, by the way. I thought it would look cool. It kinda does. It kinda does. finally finished. The last thing basically is just to put my camera in. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks for packing with me, and see you next time.